Samsung's Galaxy Book Pro 360 does well in the battery life department, providing a fast charger that gives you 9 hours of juice with only 30 minutes of charging. Samsung claims that a fully charged battery lasts up to 21 hours on a single charge. After using the laptop for a whole morning, we had 86% battery left when we had lunch. In the TechRadar battery test, where a 1080p video is looped with the display at 50% brightness, the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 lasted 8 hours and 13 minutes. Compare that with the MacBook Air M1, which lasted 11 hours and 15 minutes, and the HP Spectre X360 2021, which managed 11 hours and 22 minutes. These rivals are better than, in our benchmarking, but the question is, does this really matter in terms of daily usage? The long and short of it is that we managed a whole day's work, and more, without having to charge the Galaxy Book Pro 360, and we can't really expect more from such a compact and svelte portable. The battery will, of course, run out faster if you engage in heavier and more demanding tasks. Design. The first thing that struck us when we unpacked our Galaxy Book Pro 360 review machine is how small and neat, and how fantastically good-looking it is. The form factor and color, Mystic Silver, is immediately reminiscent of the MacBook Air, but the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 is a bit smaller and almost 300 grams lighter. This is a portable in the truest sense of the word. The Galaxy Book Pro 360 comes with a brushed metal chassis in silver if you choose the 13-inch model, and a navy blue color if you step up to the 15-inch model. As with the HP Spectre X360 2021, the screen can be folded all the way around so it's flat to the keyboard, turning the notebook into a tablet-like device. In terms of connectivity, the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 offers a Thunderbolt 4 port, a pair of USB-C ports, a traditional headphone socket, and a microSD slot. Compared to the MacBook Air M1 2020, you get slightly better connectivity options, but not the full-size USB port that the HP Spectre X360 2021 offers, which means that you may still need a dongle for one or two accessories at home. In addition to the travel adapter and USB-C cable, an S Pen is also included in the box. The pen is black and plastic, sadly not having the same premium build or feel as the laptop itself. The S Pen is magnetic and attaches to the notebook, but only on the top, which feels a bit odd. We would rather have seen another solution, or a storage slot the pen could be kept in. The placement of the Apple Pencil on the side of the iPad Pro is much more elegant.